Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a GIF image as a wallpaper in Google Chrome's background. So for that, first you have to open Google Chrome browser. So after that, we have to click on Customize Chrome. Here you can see an option called Upload from Device. So first let me tell you, you have to have a GIF image on your computer. I already have downloaded one in my download folder. So I'm gonna click on Upload from Device. After that, I'm going to go to Downloads, then select my image, then click Open. So now you can see the GIF image is showing as a wallpaper in my Google Chrome's background. So that's how you do it. If you want more content like this, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.